Welcome. This is Amy, and these daily messages come through the counsel of highest light and deepest love. Each one is an offering to help you pause, reconnect, and remember the truth of who you are. Let's begin. Nothing in you needs to stay alert right now. You are no longer responsible for guarding the doorway. There was a time when your care learned to stand watch, when openness required vigilance, and welcome meant endurance. That time has passed. What is arriving now does not need to be screened. What belongs will recognize you by how you feel when it arrives. Notice the quiet shift. You are not scanning for disruption. You are resting in coherence. This is how trust returns to the body, not as belief, but as ease. Today, let yourself move without checking. Let words land without bracing. Let silence complete itself without filling it. You are allowed to create from rest. You are allowed to host without hovering. You are allowed to be carried by what is already aligned. Nothing true will be lost by your softness. Everything true will find you there. And so we ask you to reflect. Where in your life do you notice yourself guarding the doorway, scanning, bracing, preparing, even when nothing is asking for protection? What might gently shift if you allowed one small moment today to be met without checking first? To bring this into your day, choose one simple moment, opening an email, reading a comment, entering a room, beginning a task, and practice arriving without pre-scanning. Before you move forward, take one slow exhale and quietly say, I don't have to guard the doorway. Then continue as you were, just with softer hands. And now we bless you, beloved. May your body remember the safety of unclenched presence. May your heart release the belief that welcome requires vigilance. May your softness become the signal that guides what belongs to you. And may you feel, again and again, that you are carried by what is aligned, without effort, without proving, without guarding. If this message has resonated with you, I invite you to subscribe and return tomorrow. Until then, may you walk gently and in the remembrance of love.